Good morning. আমি ইয়াৰ আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত সাইন ইনভাৰ্স গ্ৰাফ আমি ষ্টাডি কৰিছিলোঁ। নেক্সট এতিয়া আমি কসাইন গ্ৰাফ ষ্টাডি কৰোঁ। সো কস ইনভাৰ্স জনাৰ আগতে we have to study about cos graph. So we know cos graph, our domain is the set of real numbers and your codomain is again same -1 to 1, defined as what? Y equal to cos x. So along x-axis, along this x-axis you will have our domain real numbers, and along y-axis you will have your codomain +1 to close interval +1 to -1. Next itia a function to this is domain, this is a codomain 1 1 and onto hoy na ami check korim, because to find cos inverse the function must be both 1 1 and onto, then only the function will be invertible. Inverse, if inverse exists then we can find cos inverse. So for 1 1 ami dekha goise, say this is your domain real numbers and this is your mapping cos and say this is your codomain -1 to 1. To me, for x equal to 0, our y is what? +1. Again for x equal to 0, our y is +1. For x equal to 2 pi, our value of y is also +1. For x equal to -2 pi, again we are getting +1. That means 0 karone to me x equal to 0, y to me +1 paisa. X equal to +2 pi, again we are getting +1. X equal to -2 pi, again we are getting in +1. That means more than one element has the same image. More than one element, this for this and this we are having the same image. What? +1. We are having the same y for more than one x. So clearly this function is what? Many one function. This function is many one function, because tomar x or for x equal to 0 also, 2 pi also, x equal to -2 pi also, we are getting the same y, what? +1. We are getting the same y +1. So this function is not 1 1, but it is many one. Many element we are getting the same image +1. Next onto hoy na? Yes, it is onto, because for every element in the codomain, say this is your +1 or kane ami pre-image ki paso -2 pi +1 or kane ami pre-image +2 pi paiso, +1 or kane pre-image ami 0 paiso. Yes, amar pre-image etatke beshi ase. For 1 we have more than one pre-image, yes, but at least one pre-image we have. So a element to kane check kora, this element in the codomain will have a pre-image this in the domain. Again for this element in the codomain will have a pre-image this. For this element your pre-image is this element pre-image is. That means every element in the codomain will have a pre-image in the domain. That means in your real numbers. Every element in the codomain +1 close interval +1 to -1 will have a pre-image in your domain real numbers. That means this function is onto, but this function is not 1 1, it is many one. So eke agor nisnake ami ki korim, sin function or nisnake ami to bring this function to 1 1, we will restrict this domain real numbers to some close intervals. Ite amar so ami 0 to close interval 0 to pi. For this close interval 0 to pi, for every x in this interval 0 to pi, our corresponding y is this. This is our corresponding y. For x belongs to 0 to pi, ami ki dekha goise, in this close interval for every element x we are having distinct images. Not agote amar ki hoisle, in the whole real line ami -pi karone eketa image paisilu, +pi karone eketa image paisilu. But ami jodi a real number lines othait ami domain to restrict kori diu 0 to pi kori diar loge loge amar every element will have distinct images. So what we'll say, the function is then 1 1. Ite ami 0 to pi thait ami -pi to 0 lo paro. আমি আমি ক্লোজ ইণ্টাৰভেল -π to 0 চেক কৰিব পাৰোঁ অলসো in this interval -π to 0 again our every element in x has a distinct premises similarly আমি +π to +2π লব পাৰোঁ +π to 2π লব পাৰোঁ ইয়াতো আমাৰ every element has distinct images that means আমি যদি domain our domain set of real numbers এই সৰু সৰু intervals sub intervals break কৰো -π to 0 0 to π +π to 2π then our corresponding y খিনি for each interval for each respectively for each interval our corresponding y will have what distinct images our every element in the corresponding interval will have distinct images in your codomain then our cos function will be 1 1 it's our para cos function is not 1 or many one ami he kane restrict koi dise 0 to pi koibo para 0 to pi koibo para then -π to 0 lawa para then π to 3π/2 π to 2π the mistake হৈ গল so here we will have π to 2π π to 2π লব লাগিব π to 2π then tomar -π to -2π and go থাকিব will goes on because our real line is infinite so এইখিনি যদি আমি domain লো either of this any one of this দেই গুটেখিনি লব নোৱাৰা তুমি এনেকুৱা যিকোনো এটা সাব ইন্টাৰভেল লব লাগিব যিকোনো এটা সেট লব লাগিব এটা সাব ইন্টাৰভেল লব লাগিব then our function will be what 1 1 so আমি 0 to pi লৈ লৈছো বাকিখিনি আমি ইগনোৰ কৰি দিছো এইবিলাক আমি ইগনোৰ কৰিছো আমি 0 to pi লৈ লৈছো 0 to pi and our codomain will be same -1 to 1 then the function is both 1 and 1 to it is bijective so bijective হোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ function inverse exist কৰিব so invertible hobo so we can write what cos inverse domain aru codomain interchange হৈ যাব -1 to +1 hobo aru amar codomain 0 to pi this domain will behave as your codomain 0 to pi aru this will be your domain aru amar define kene koibo y equal to cos inverse x so amar graph khon just our the similar to this graph but amar 90 degree rotate kori disu so yat amar ki hobo domain our -1 to 1 close interval -1 to +1 and our codomain is 0 to pi 0 to pi this is your codomain close interval 0 to pi here your function amar clearly dekha goise for -1 to 1 corresponding y is what sin inverse is 0 to pi and here the function is 1 1 and baki bilor intervals or karano to check over para 0 to -5 again our function is 1 1 but ami ki korisu ami 0 to a range to consider korim 0 to pi we'll consider this range 0 to pi and this is called the principal value range principal branch of cos inverse function this branch is called 0 to pi this 0 to pi is called your principal value range of cos inverse function and amar cos inverse x kya this cos or cos inverse x amar x hobo or x all will belongs to -1 to 1 because tomar yat x in cos inverse or karone amar x kini ami kor pra lom domain amar ki ase -1 to 1 yat amar cos inverse x ase so our x will belongs to your domain -1 to 1 so our x this is your x so amar ki dekha goise this is your cos inverse function from the closed interval -1 to 1 to 0 to pi this is 1 and on to and our most important our principal value branch range of cos inverse you have to know this principal value branch range of cos inverse you have to know this 0 to pi thank you